Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making the app audible so Android recognizes its stream. Open settings, then sound and vibration. Make sure media volume is adjustable. Next, launch the app and play audio briefly. This ties the app to a media stream. Once done, go to App Settings Permissions or Special App Access and enable Modify System Settings or Adjust Media Volume if present. Doing this ensures the OS treats the app's audio independently for the next steps. With audio playing, press the device volume buttons. This targets the media stream now linked to your app. Then tap the gear icon or expand arrow on the on-screen volume slider to open the volume mixer. In the mixer, you'll often see app-specific sliders or categories like media, ring, and notifications. Move the app slider to the desired level. If you want fine control, use small taps then long presses to change in smaller increments. This avoids overshooting your preferred level. After setting the slider, test playback to confirm the app's volume stays consistent. If adjustments drift, open the app's internal audio settings or Android's equalizer for precise control. Some apps include their own mixer. Make sure battery saver or do not disturb isn't limiting media. If the app won't respond to the mixer, restart the app first, then clear cache or force stop. As a key troubleshooting tip, rebooting the device resets audio routing and often restores.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.